Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a stunning 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible. This is absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for a first-gen Firebird, look no further. You found it. It is a manual top that goes up and down without a hitch. Very easy to operate. I did it by myself yesterday. Beautiful paint. Beautiful interior. Starting down here, we have some wide track radial SRs with PDR wheels, the steel wheels on all fours. Those are aluminum wheels. Perfect wheels for this car. There's the power, the 350 cubic inch engine. This is a automatic transmission. The engine compartment's gorgeous. Engine's been painted, the valve covers, all the wells, sides, firewall. Very, very clean engine compartment. You can tell that the attention to detail during the build was paid attention to. Power steering, power brakes. Those are power front disc brakes. The signature first gen Firebird front end, gorgeous. This has 79,000 actual miles, and it shows. Make sure you go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out this baby with the top up and locked, also top down, but just the car in general, it's just gorgeous. Beautiful white bucket interior, black contrasting carpet, nice wood grain center console and dash fascia, automatic shifter, the T shifter there in the console. She starts right up, very, very easy to drive. Once again, if you're looking for the first gen Firebirds, this is the baby you want. And again, that website is cruisinclassicsinc.com. Or give us a call here. We'll be glad to help you out with any questions on this Firebird or any others that we have in stock. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and please hang out at the end of the video where you can subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. As well as checking out some stills of the engine compartment, the trunk, the undercarriage. This undercarriage is spectacular. Nice and clean. Just the value of this car, you can't go wrong. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible. This is the one you've been looking for. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.